Check out this Chrysler 2019 Pacifica Touring L. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features included inflatable spare tire kit with sealant included, 17 inches inflatable spare tire puncture sealant and portable air compressor, engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT UPG1 with ESS, STD, tires, 235/65 R17 BSWS, STD, billet silver metallic clear coat, quick order package 27L included, engine 3.6L V6 24V VVT UPG1 with ESS transmission, 9-speed 948 TE automatic, wheels, 17x7.0 aluminum, STD, black seats, manufacturer's statement of origin and black alloy perforated leather trim bucket seats included, with cognac alloy toffee interior includes two-tone alloy